Amazing thumbnail, bro. Come on, man. Hello and welcome to another video to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create with AI a thumbnail just using the video title. Okay, first, go ahead and update our video. The video is being updated. Can put the title right here, and here you see that I have another extension on YouTube. It's called vidIQ. You can find the link, my affiliate link, in the description. This tool builds you a thumbnail with only using the video title, and you can bring your description to the video, maybe some alternatives to the title too. Okay, but here's the catch. If you want a highly great thumbnail, you should combine it with ChatGPT. How? Okay, we go to ChatGPT and we use Prompt Maker. An info card will pop up on the top right in the video if you don't know how to pop it on the left like this. Okay, you create a prompt by saying, give me a prompt. Okay, you send it. You'll see he will give you a prompt. After the prompt is fully generated, go ahead and copy it. Go to a new chat and paste it in a new chat. You go ahead and put the title of the video, paste it here. Go ahead and copy it. And we paste it right here in the thumbnail builder. Okay. We click on generate thumbnails and we wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, those are the thumbnails generated by vidIQ. If you want infinite generation, because you can only generate 3 times per day. If you want an infinite generation, just upgrade the plan. And if you are going to upgrade the plan, just take my affiliate link to support the channel too. Look, amazing thumbnail, bro. Come on, man. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel, and visit my affiliate link too. Thank you.